Imagine waking up, grabbing your morning coffee, opening your laptop, and seeing $100 already in your account. No boss, no 9-to-5 grind. Just you, a Wi-Fi connection, and the power of artificial intelligence. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, in 2025, this dream is more real than ever. And today, I'll show you how you can start making $100 a day with AI tools, even if you're a complete beginner. But before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button to join our channel Money Strategies with Prince, where we share the best money-making strategies, side hustles, and financial hacks every week. Chapter 1. Why AI is the new money machine. The internet has gone through several waves of opportunity. E-commerce in the early 2000s, social media in the 2010s, and crypto in the late 2010s. But right now, the AI wave is bigger than all of them combined. AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Copy.ai, Notion AI, Runway, and many others are making it possible for everyday people to start side hustles, businesses, and freelance gigs with little to no upfront cost. The beauty? You don't need coding skills, huge investments, or years of experience. You just need to learn how to use AI smartly and position yourself in a market where people are willing to pay. So, let's break down step by step how you can realistically hit $100 a day using AI. Chapter 2. AI-powered content creation, $30 to $50 per day. Content is king, and AI is now the kingmaker. Here's how it works. Use ChatGPT or Jasper AI to write blog posts, newsletters, or even YouTube scripts for clients. Use Canva AI or Midjourney to create unique designs, social media posts, and thumbnails. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer are filled with people looking for quick content solutions. For example, a blog post of 1,000 words can easily earn you $20 to $40. A single AI-generated social media package, 10 posts plus captions, can fetch $50 or more. If you just take 2 to 3 small orders a day, you're already at the $100 mark. And the best part? AI does 70% of the work for you. Chapter 3. AI side hustle with digital products, $40 to $70 per day. Another powerful way is to create once, earn forever. Here's how. Use ChatGPT plus Canva to make ebooks, templates, or planners. Sell them on Etsy, Gumroad, or Amazon KDP. Price them between $5 to $20. Let's do some quick math. If you sell a $10 digital product and only get 10 sales a day, that's $100 per day passive income. The trick? Focus on niches people actually search for. Examples: AI business plan template, content calendar for TikTok creators, budgeting planner for students. The key is to combine AI's ability to generate content with your creativity to package and sell digital products that people need. Chapter 4. AI and freelancing and services, $50 to $150 per day. Freelancing is still the fastest way to hit $100 per day, and AI makes you a super freelancer. For example, social media management. Use AI tools like Buffer plus ChatGPT to schedule and create posts. Video editing. Use Runway AI to remove backgrounds, auto-edit, and generate captions. Copywriting. Use Copy.ai or 𝐬𝐻𝐫𝐞𝐿 to create sales pages and ads. Here's the kicker. While other freelancers spend hours, you can deliver projects in a fraction of the time, which means you can take on more clients and earn more. A single freelance gig on Fiverr for an AI-assisted blog, thumbnail design, or ad copy can range from $25 to $200. Chapter 5. The AI affiliate marketing game, $20 to $80 per day. This is where you let AI do the heavy lifting for you. Sign up for affiliate programs. Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or even AI tool affiliates like Jasper, 𝐬𝐻𝐫𝐞, or Canva. Use ChatGPT to create review articles, comparison videos, or email campaigns. Use AI SEO tools like Surfer AI or Neuron Writer to optimize content and rank on Google. Here's an example. If you promote an AI tool that pays you $30 per sign-up and you get just 3 sign-ups per day, that's already $90 per day. This is one of the most scalable methods because you're not trading time for money. You're building an income stream that can grow while you sleep. Chapter 6. AI-powered YouTube automation, $50 to $200 per day. Here's where things get exciting. YouTube automation. Use ChatGPT for script writing. Use 11 Labs or Play HT for AI voiceovers. Use Pictory or Runway for automated video editing. Use Canva AI for thumbnails. You don't even have to show your face. You can run a cash cow channel where AI creates everything. Once your channel is monetized, ad revenue plus affiliate links plus sponsorships can easily hit $100 per day after some consistency. Chapter 7. The psychology of making $100 per day. Now, let's get real. The hardest part isn't the tools, it's your mindset. Here's why most beginners fail. They try one method for a week, don't see instant results, and quit. They overload themselves with 10 different AI tools and never master one. They expect AI to do 100% of the work. The truth? AI is a tool, not a magic genie. The difference between people making $100 per day and those making nothing is simple: consistency and focus. Pick one method, commit to it for at least 90 days, and let AI amplify your output. Chapter 8. Step-by-step plan to hit $100 per day. Let me make this super simple. Pick one AI money-making path: freelancing, digital products, affiliate marketing, or YouTube automation. Master 2 to 3 AI tools relevant to that path. Start small, aim for $20 per day in the first week. Scale slowly, increase clients, products, or traffic. Automate, use AI to save time, so you can focus on growth. Within 1 to 3 months, hitting $100 per day is absolutely realistic. So, now you know exactly how to make $100 a day with AI tools, even if you're starting from zero. The only question is, which method will you start with today? Drop your answer in the comments below. I'd love to see your plans. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to Money Strategies with Prince for more powerful money-making strategies, AI side hustles, and financial hacks. Because remember, the future belongs to those who take action today.